Did you know that dogs can get sunburned? They can. Let me explain. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this, which is a little coat for dogs to protect them from getting sunburned. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. And I'm sure the first thing you're asking is, but you have dogs that have lots of fur. What do you mean they can get sunburned? So, if you've ever had a dog that has had a little surgery, Memphis actually had a spot on her back last year that we had to put sunscreen on to keep her protected. They can get sunburned. And if you have a dog with a not very long coat, they can also get sunburned. This can help with that. We're going to put this on Eleanor and show you what it looks like. I do also want to note this is nice and thin and breathable. So your dog is not going to overheat in this, which is really nice. And like I said, the zipper, being able to undo the zipper and take it off of them, have them step in and out of it, is also really nice. Check that out. I think we should take you outside so we can get a better look at this. Well, it's a little windier out here than I thought, but it is nice and sunny today. Now, the one that Eleanor is wearing is a 3XL. Mind you, a 3XL. She is 54 pounds. Make sure you measure before you get one of these if you need it to protect your dog. So if she had any type of surgical sites on the top here, it would protect from that. And like I said, if she was a shorter haired dog or maybe a hairless dog, this would help protect them when they are out in the sun. Another nice thing it's going to do is it's going to keep bugs off them. We have ticks. I mean, it's not that the ticks can't get everywhere else, but at least you wouldn't have to worry too much about them getting where they're at. And look, she can move just fine in it. She has absolutely no issue moving around in it. It's a little less windy back here. So it does have this nice zipper that goes all the way down the top here, which means you can just unzipper it to take it off the top. You can have them step into it and then zipper it to put it on them. And then it does, around the neck here, have these little clips that can make it be a little bit tighter around the neck as well. This does fit Eleanor really well. And yeah, I'm going to keep this because, you know, we have an older dog and we have younger dogs, and you just never know when you might need a little bit of extra protection from the sun. And you're adorable. You really are adorable. We recommend this. Look at her go. She's like, I can move in this. There's no problem at all. Look how cute I am. You are pretty stinking cute.